Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll let to show you the way how to turn off the comment sections for a content that you have on your Instagram application. So first thing you have to do is just open the Instagram application and open or sign and log in with your account. And whenever you open it, you just need to take a look on this bottom section. There will be 5 sections. This one is for your timeline, this one for your explore, this one is for creating your content, this one for reels, and this one is for your profile. So to turn off the comments, you just need to visit your profile. And after that, you just need to scrolling down and find the content that you want to turn off the comment sections from. So here I will let to turn off this comment sections from my content here. You just need to go click these 3 small dots on the top right corner, and after that you just need to go click this turn off commenting, and those comment sections will be disappear. So that is the way how to turn off the comment sections on your Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.